And welcome to Random Ramblings for August. So this month we had Age of Sigmar come out. We've covered that nice. We're enjoying playing that. Definitely one of my favourite games. And we've been having our 40k coverage. And as you may have noticed, this week we've got our Kill Team week. This is something that we've experimented with, having 5 battle reports in a week. So I hope you're enjoying that. And if there's any other games you want us to do this with, let us know. I'm sure we can sort something out. Now, what are we going to be doing for the next month? Well, more Kill Team coverage, definitely. I'm really enjoying that game. And from a project point of view, I'm finally getting around to building my Dark Eldar force up, the Drukhari. So I've started with my Cabal. Not finished these guys. I started painting them and then Kill Team turned up, so I've just sort of put these on the back burner for now. This is going to be a slow growing project. I've worked out 1,000 points to start with. I'm going to get that put together, get in a few games and then expand on it from there. I want to get it up to 2,000 points. So, as for what other people are doing, Lewis is working on his Daughters of Cain. He picked up something special over the weekend. I'm sure he'll want to tell you about that soon. Ethan is doing the Night Haunts from the Dark Souls box.
Dark Souls.
Dark Souls? Dark Souls.
Soul Wars.
Soul Wars. There's a reason I said Dark Souls, but so yeah, Ethan is working on the Night Haunt from Soul Wars, and Christian has been doing something special that he wants to show off to you, so I'll pass you over to him.
Okay, so as you know, on a previous Random Rambles, I said I was going to start doing a lot of work on Death Watch, and I'm happy to say that I've been doing some work, and this is my painted army now. I'm quite proud. I think I've got way too many kill teams, but I still need some more because for the Kill Team game, you need to arm things from the kit, and not everyone has things from the kit. So hopefully Kill Team will bring out a faction booster for Death Watch, and I'll get that. I've got my 2 Primaris Intercessor squads. I'll have to get some more Primaris units so I can have Fortis kill teams. I've got all the other things such as Vanguard Vets, Bikers, the Terminators and Dreadnoughts. I have 3 Corvus Black Stars, another one's just unbuilt, so I'll get around to that soon. And also I have a Land Raider Redeemer that I need to build and paint, a Drop Pod, and 2 Rhino or Razorbacks. And I think after that I don't need to get much more for Death Watch, but I probably still will. It's one of my favourite armies, I really like it.
Okay, so that's Christian's army. And now, let's just move over to our unboxing section for Kill Team. See you at the end of the segment. And now it is time for our special unboxing. As this is Kill Team week, we've got some Kill Team to unbox. So let's start by cutting our way into this huge box. Right. A painting handle. Yay.
The hallowed painting handle.
The hallowed painting handle. So, first thing out of the box that isn't a painting handle, let's take the little thing out. We've got our Kill Team cards. Next up we have a pen. Do you know how many pens I've got? A lot. A lot. Okay, on to the meat of it. So we've got the Administrator. We have the
Basilicanum.
Basilicanum. Yeah.
Basilicanum.
What he said. A sweetie. But we know who'll be getting that, don't we? And it's none of us in here. The Sanctum. I can pronounce that.
Yeah.
Yay. this is a big box. Oh. Killzone Sector Mechanicus, he says, hopefully, without looking at the front of it.
Yes.
Yeah. Speaking of big boxes, this is bigger than I thought it would be. Yeah, I forgot what it's called.
Ulfric's. Fangs of Ulfric.
Fangs of Ulfric, the Adeptus Astartes starter set. I didn't get the orc one because none of us play orcs. And finally, right at the bottom of the box, whoa, we have Kill Team itself. Okay, let's have a closer look at what you get inside. Okay, let's start with the core box itself. So in we come with the knife. In we come with the knife. There we go.
Just like unwrapping a present.
My precious. There we go. Christian will do it for me because I'm incapable of taking cellophane off of a cardboard box. There we go. We could put that in the rubbish pile. Okay. So I'll open this up and pass it all to Christian, who will be my hands. So first of all, we've got one of these. Oh, the waft coming from this box now. Nothing beats it.
Lots of bases. Baggies. More Admech for Ethan. And more Gene Steel Occult for Dad.
Yay!
I'll be waiting till the Deathwatch box comes out to get my stuff.
We've got two sets of floors. And one, two, three sets of ruins. Two sets of walls. And an archway and columns.
That is all of the sprues.
Then we've got another one of these, exactly the same as the first. A collection of clear rulers that we'll never ever use. Another base. Some dice.
Nice black and orange dice.
That looks like tactics cards. This looks like tactics cards as well.
I imagine those are the generic ones, maybe.
And we've got our stat cards. Counters.
Both Gene Steel Cult and Scutari.
Core manual. I just have to do something first. Here we go. Fluffy books and manuals. And the board.
Voila.
Okay. Be back with the next box in a second. Right, next we're going to open
The Fangs of Ulfric.
Fangs of Ulfric. So,
That's nice.
so we've got some Sector Mechanicus scenery.
In the nice thick plastic they do for terrain now.
Another one. A base.
A single base. Buttery biscuit base.
And we've got the fluff book, the cards, and missions. Two sprues of Primaris Reavers.
In Nice sort of Space Wolfy grey colour.
Another 4 bases. And some Space Wolf transfers, but I don't play Space Wolf, so these will be Ultra Marines. There we are, a nice box to keep it in. Right, that's the Fangs of Ulfric. Okay, next let's have a look at the Septa Mechanicus. So this is an interesting box. So interesting. It's going to take a genius to get into. There we go. Right, so that opens up. Then look at that.
Oh, it's just all loose.
It's all loose, yep. So, whoa, we've got another board. That looks like instructions, missions, tactic cards. And we got some more Sector Mechanica scenery.
Once again, the nice plastic. Quite a lot of it.
Folded over in half. A bit wobbly. And last one. So we've got some pipes, we've got some walkways, and we've got some
big things.
Big things, yes. This will be my first set of the thermal pipes. And that's it. Empty. Okay. Okay, next up we've got the data cards. So, I am unable to open things. I did pre-cut this, but failed miserably. That's because, wow. Oh, then Christian's going to open it because I can't. There we go. It's because that was catching on my hands. So
that's just.
So we've got a set of tactic cards. These are the same ones that come in the core sets. So we've got 2 sets, one for each player. And then we've got a load of blank stat cards.
And I see that they've returned to the old style of the card boxes, so it's like the 7th edition data cards.
Yes. Okay. Okay, next we'll just open all 3 of these scenery sets. There are 4 scenery sets out. The 4th one is the small one, the ruins. I didn't bother getting that because we've got ruins in all 3 of these, plus the core set. So I didn't need any more ruins. So, let's start with the Administratum. Rip the cellophane off. I got it right this time. Hand it to my glamorous assistant. So, got an instruction book. Put that there for a second.
A normal coloured, I suppose.
So, 1 set of ruins. 1 set of walls. And 1 set of floors. Okay, now swiftly we'll move on to the Sanctum. There we are, let's get the cellophane off as quickly as possible. There we go. So, Sanctum. Instruction book. And we've got another set of ruins in 2 pieces this time. Columns with little statues. Something we didn't get in the core set.
They look very nice.
Set of floors. 1 set of walls. And 2 set of walls. Okay. And finally the big one. So, the
Basilicanum.
Yeah. What he said. Oop, let's rip this off. go. Instructions. So we've got the statues, which is a 3-part one.
They look pretty nice.
Archways. A set of ruins. A set of floors. Another set of floors. A set of walls. And another set of walls. And there we go. That's all for three boxes opened. A nice sort of scenery, so I know what I'm going to be doing for the next week. Okay, that's it for our Kill Team unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. On with the show. Well, that's it for August. So what are we going to be looking forward to for the rest of the month? Well, I don't know when the release dates are, but there's a couple of games coming out that I would like to get to cover. First of all, Adeptus Titanicus. I used to love playing that back in the day. I'm really looking forward to getting hold of this. So when I can afford it, when it's released, definitely be covering that. And the second one is the Middle-earth strategy battle game. I actually have quite a large collection of Lord of the Rings and Hobbit miniatures from the games over the years, but this will be an excuse to dig them out and get some games in. So hopefully you'll enjoy some coverage of that. And that's it for this month. So hope you enjoyed what we've done. Hope you're subscribing and liking, and I'll see you next month.